My dear students, today's topic is adder, which is part of digital electronics, which is your UG syllabus of semester 3 as well as part 3. Now we will discuss in this set half and full adder. So adder is divided into two parts, half and full adder. First of all, we start with half adder. A digital computer must contain circuit which will perform arithmetic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The basic operation are addition and subtraction. Since multiplication and division are essentially repeated addition and subtraction, so if suppose we wish to sum two numbers in decimal arithmetic and obtain the 100 digit, we must add together not only the hundreds digit of each number but also a carry from the tens digit if one exists. So in binary arithmetic we must add not only the digit of like significance of the two numbers to be summed but also the carry bit of the next lower significant digit. This operation may be carried out in two steps. First, add the 2 bit corresponding to the 2n digit and then add the resultant to the carry from the 2 to the power n minus 1 digit. A two input adder is called a half adder because to complete an addition requires two such half adders. A half adder has two inputs A and B representing the bits to be added and two outputs D and C, which is also called carry bit. So this is your symbol of the half adder, in which there are two inputs A and B and two outputs D, which is also a sum bit and also a carry bit, C output. Now the logic diagram. Before the logic diagram, we will start truth table of the half adder. So there are two input and output. There are four combinations 0 0. If A and B is 0 0, then the sum D is 0 and C is 0. Also for 0 1 input we have 1 and 0, and for 1 0 this is 1 0. Now if input is 1 1, then this is your 0 1. Now if you note that in this D column gives the sum of A and B. As long as the sum can be represented by a single digit, when however the sum is larger than can be represented by a single digit, D gives the digit in the result which is of the same significance as the individual digit. So thus in the first three rows of the truth table, these three rows of truth table, D gives the sum of A, B directly. Since the decimal equation, if you write on decimal equation 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2, is written in binary form. This is your 0 1 plus 0 1, this is equal to 1 0. So then in the row of D, so for this 1 1 we get D equal to 0, whereas because 1 must now be carried to the place of next highest significance C equal to 1. So D obey the exclusive OR function, D obey the exclusive OR function, and C follow the logic of AND gate. These functions are indicated in this logic diagram, and this is your logic diagram of half adder. So this is your D and this is your C output, and this is your A and B is the input. This is your OR gate, exclusive OR gate, this is your AND gate, and this is we have output D, which is sum also, and this is symbol of A exclusive B. Now we will start full adder. In integrated circuit implementation, IC implementation, addition is performed using a complete adder which is not constructed from two half adders. So this is your symbol for the nth full adder, in which there are three inputs A, B and C. A is called attend, B is called AND, and C input, this is your input carry. there are two output. First is S, which is also summation, and this is your C output. Boolean expression for this full adder is S equal to A exclusive or B, there again exclusive or C input, and C output AB. This is your AND gate, end of AB, and then OR of A plus B exclusive AB and C input. Now this is your logic diagram of the half full adder. This is your logic diagram of full adder. In this case, this is your A and B and C. There are three inputs. Means this is your addend, AND and input carry, and this is your A plus B, A exclusive OR gate. This is your exclusive OR gate. So your sum S is summation of A exclusive OR B exclusive OR C, and then this is your full diagram of the full adders. Truth table of this full adder is also for the same 8th. This is your, there are three inputs, three outputs, and for this 0 0 0 3, then you get summation S n equal to 0 and C output is 1. So this is your truth table of the full adder. Now a parallel 4-bit adder is shown in also following figures. If you get parallel 4-bit adder, so 4-bit adder you have, in this case the circuitry within the block FA may be determined by this figure, which is used the truth table for adding 3 binary bits. From this table, truth table of 3 full adder, we can verify that the Boolean expression for Sn and Cn are given by this expression: Sn equal to An bar Bn bar Cn minus 1 plus An Bn Cn minus 1 bar plus An Bn Cn minus 1. So this is your parallel 4-bit adder in shown in this way. Thank you.